To fix a Whirlpool tall piled washer that won't unlock, begin by long pressing the pause or cancel button to restore the cycle and unlock the door. If this method is unsuccessful, try unplugging the washer for a minute and then plugging it back in. Additionally, check the washer's display for any error codes. And if an error code is present, consult the user manual to understand its cause and resolve the issue. The user manual may also provide information on how to manually unlock the washer, if this feature is available. If all else fails, further assistance can be found by visiting a product support website or by contacting the customer support team directly. They can be reached by phone, Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if professional help is needed. It is recommended to seek it from the customer support team.